Oh, hello everybody. Today I will do introduction to bWorks platform. First, the system include four module. The first is the API. This is the API for it's open source for all the developer to access, review and audit. Okay, the second module will be employee module. This is for the employer to post the job to to look for employ for job seeker to complete the task here. Okay, another module will be for employee. It means the job seeker. Job seeker can see all the bid here and try to place a bid for his favorite job. Okay, next it will be bWorks CMS. This is the interface for bWorks admin middleman to perform to do the verification and perform and verify the transaction between employer and employee. Okay, so now we go to demo a typical flow for for typical flow for the system. Okay, so first the employee will log into his system. Here the employee will log into the system and create a new job. Example, it will a name for the job here. Okay, so let's say that the employer want to looking for a Bluetooth smart contract to pay for the sub salary. Okay, currency, ADA, budget. You can put the budget here 1,000, 10,000. Okay, minimum bid value and require amount to bid, expiry day, expected day, and skill. Okay, and put in the description for the job. Okay, so here this is the new job just posted. Okay, where is it? Here. Okay, developer Bluetooth. This is the new job posted. Okay, from here the employee let's say I'm an employee. I go and see all the job posted and I can see this new job. Okay, just put it and I can explore by clicking into this job. But of course first I have to create a bid for the job. Okay, this is the bid. Okay, bid value, I have to select the job here. Okay, value, bid day, completed day. Okay, and a few description. Okay, so now so now the employer will see all the job seeker who are bidding for the job and select one person, one job seeker that he think will be able to do the job. So let's say he will select this guy, select. Okay, and then we will sign the Bluetooth transaction to log into ADA network so that he can secure the fund. Okay, so, yeah, he has to select the bWorks contract and connect to the wallet. So now lock the fund to pay for the employee. And now select the partner is mean the middleman, but by default will be bWorks. You can choose another person, yeah, other, but have to put, yeah, by default will be bWorks. He can choose, yeah. So submit. Now submit. Yeah. Okay. So he will have to open the wallet and key in the password to distribute the fund to the job seeker. Okay, so now will have the hash, and you can copy this address and check on the network to see whether the transaction already in the network. Okay, so maybe you still have to wait for a while because the system need time to update the transaction. Or just keep refreshing until you can see something. Yeah, it may take a few minutes to, yeah. Okay, Okay, so we'll come back later. Okay, so now let's say we can assume that this transaction is already in the network, and we'll move on to next step. Next step is for the middleman, the job seeker who do this um, to do this to verify the job progress. So he can log here and can see the address here. This is a new transaction is submit, and from here he can decide to refund the money to the employer, or approve the job, pay to the transaction. Okay, we'll come back here and to see. Okay, we can see here the transaction is already in the Cardano network. Okay. Okay. Now we now as a employer, you can go into this screen to do the final job, is to mark the job as completed or not completed. So in this case, you can just by default the job is not completed, but you can click here to change the job to be completed, and then after that pay to the job seeker by the bWorks, the middleman, pay to job seeker. Just click here to pay, just to distribute the fund completely to the employee. Okay, so now you can see that the transaction here. Okay, this is the transaction in this from the checker, from you can check the transaction here. Okay, it's still pending. Okay, but okay, this is total fee for the, yeah, total. You can see the screen here, or for the transaction, more detail for the transaction here. Yeah, this to check. So so now the job seeker can receive the fund in his ADA wallet already. Yeah. Okay, so now the whole process is completed. Thank you very much for. We hope you can enjoy this system. Thank you for watching.